welcome to my channel, The Homestead Quest. My name is Amanda, and today we're doing another Kitchen Quest episode where I show you fun homemade recipes that I make for my family. And today is a Kitchen Quest first because we're going to be making a summer cocktail. So a little bit of background for that. I grew up as a restaurant girl. I worked at restaurants, many different restaurants for a lot of years. I started off as a hostess and then got trained as a server. And then when I got old enough, I got trained as a bar back and a bartender. And for those of you that don't know what a bar back is, they are essentially the backup bartender. So I know how to make a lot of different cocktails and drinks. And today, the cocktail we will be making is a mojito. Alright guys, and before I get started on this mojito, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, go ahead and click that notification bell. It will alert you anytime I upload a new video. Alright, so there are 2 stars to a mojito. You need mint, which was perfect because I have some beautiful mint that was just growing in my herb garden, so we were good there. Then you need white rum. I'm using Bacardi today. I'm not affiliated with Bacardi, but it is a good white rum to use. And then I have simple syrup, club soda, and limes. Okay guys, so I'm going to teach you how to pour a proper shot. At some restaurants and bars, you might see some people using shot glasses to measure shots, but at the restaurants that I worked at, it seemed that the more professional bartenders that would work fast-paced and could make the best drinks use the count system, and this is the system that I've always used. So if you do need a shot glass for it, it's totally fine, and I think some restaurants might require it. I'm not at all ragging on other bartenders if you use shot glasses, but I'm just speaking to my experience. So essentially a 2 count of liquor is a shot, and a 4 count is 2. So today we'll be doing a double shot, so we will be using a 4 count. So you grab your bottle by its neck, flip it completely over, and then slowly count to 4. So it would be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we're going to add the simple syrup. Simple syrup is just sugar water essentially that you've boiled on a stovetop. You can make it yourself or you can buy it at the store. I had to make some myself because for whatever reason they were completely sold out of simple syrup when I was at the store earlier today, but it's really easy to make. So I am just going to do 2 shot glasses worth of simple syrup. Then I'm going to take a half of a lime that has been sliced, squeeze the juice in, and drop the whole thing into our shaker here. Voila. And now it's time for the mint. If you have a muddler at home, you can use that. It's totally fine. I don't have one, so I'm going to be using this guy. And I'm just going to take a bunch of my mint and add it in. And remember guys, the mint is the star of a mojito, so you really want to be generous with the mint. And then you crush the mint up. This breaks it up, it releases the wonderful taste and smell of the mint. And obviously store-bought is just fine, but if you have homegrown mint in your garden, that is even better. So now we add our ground up mint into the shaker. And then we add our club soda. And you don't need too much. Add a little bit of ice. Put your shaker top on. And then we shake. And then get the glass that you're going to be serving your drink with and fill it with ice. And then you take the little top off of your shaker, and there will be a little strainer on top. And then you just add it into your glass, just like that. Alright, and then grab some more mint, give it a good slap. This kind of breaks the pores and releases the aromatics and the flavor. And you add it in, push it into your drink. So now it's time to garnish. You can take a stem or just a couple of leaves and put it on the side, but I'm just gonna put a whole stem in the side there, and then a little wedge. And there she is, guys. So pretty. I can smell the lime and the mint, and it just smells delicious. So let's go ahead and give this a try. All right, let's see how it tastes. Ooh, that is really good. It's refreshing, it's minty, it has that nice citrus taste to it because of the lime. It really is delicious. It's not tequila, but whew. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's episode of Kitchen Quest. I hope you guys enjoyed today's cocktail recipe of a mojito, and you can do this in a lot of different ways. You can take mango puree or raspberry or strawberry, and you can make a mango mojito or strawberry mojito. It's really diverse. You can do it a lot of different ways, and it is just the perfect, refreshing summertime cocktail. Thank you guys again so much for watching today. My name's Amanda. This is the Homestead Quest.